We got 1979 MG. And we've got the radio antenna up there in the windshield. We got the luggage rack on there. Looks like he's been doing some touring here. Body's clean, tires aren't, but that's okay. Drive it. Drive, drive, drive. Nice cockpit. Basically, you crawl into these things. Sit low to the ground. Slide these things around the corner, no problem. Also, it's very easy to change the top on these without, because it just unsnaps basically from everything. We're going to replace that convertible top. Luggage rack, trunk. It's amazing they just, Britain is in the UK's and still making these things like this. These are fun cars to drive, economical, and they look pretty. And they're easy to park too. You can tell this guy drives this thing too, that's the other thing. This is a driver. Drives it all over the place. You can tell by the tires. Dirt.
Yeah, probably no. The light.
Hey, get back here a second. There you go. 79 MG. See, this is like they're still looking cars with MG know what to do with those bumpers that were mandated by the federal government. That actually looks good, you know. That looks fine. The orange and the black looks nice.